I have recently discovered that my spindle assembly is very loose on the gantry beam on my FoxAlien 4040. The V-wheels are not engaging on the beam, which is making the connection between the two very sloppy. With a little research, it's easy to identify how to fix this. We will be loosening these two 8mm nuts on the bottom. I removed one of the 8mm bolts just to show you that there is play in the spindle assembly that will allow you to move the wheel up and down, which also means this is something you probably want to take a look at throughout your CNC carving, because in time it probably will loosen again. So in order to tighten the V-wheel to the gantry wheel, I had to use a clamp to fasten between the wheel and the upper section of the spindle assembly. Once clamped, I then tightened the 8mm nut till tight. I did this to both sides. I did one side at a time. Now that the final side is finished, I will now show you it is now tight and rides snug against the gantry beam. So now I shouldn't have a problem for quite a while, but again, it is good to check it in the future because it probably will loosen again. So guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, smash that like button, leave a comment below if it helped. Check out my other videos.